Hello, this is going to be a short one. Okay, a lot of people were doing challenges and they're doing like the 5 meal or 3 meal from 1 can of Spam. Now I got a value pack, which is 2 cans of Spam. Make 10 meals out of it. This is the, if you want to do it, I'm not doing it for everybody. If you know how to cook, make 10 meals from 2 cans of Spam. Okay, really short, really simple. 10 meals from 2 cans of Spam. Could be low sodium, whatever flavor you like Spam. I like classic. Now, I'm going to list off a few things you could do with Spam. You cut it in thin slices. I could cut it up to about 15 slices per can. That's how good I'm at. Know how to use Spam. And then the trick is with Spam is what can you create out of it? Well, first one is fried egg sandwich with Spam. Easiest pie. You've seen Common Sense with Elizabeth do it. Okay? And then chasing life with Mel. You know, don't panic. Do your move. But don't be a target. Be calm, quiet. Go across country. It'll take you 5 days. Do not make sure you check each city on your route. If they're riding, go around it. You don't want to go through a riot. You want to go around the riot. Okay? So we got egg sandwich for number 1. What's number 2? Ramen soup. You got your steamed vegetables, your boiled egg, and a slice or two of Spam. That's number 2. Number 3. What can I do with my amount of Spam? If you have leftover white rice and some odd vegetables and an egg, you have fried rice. Easy as pie. That's, let's see, 3 already? Yeah. We have egg sandwich, we have ramen, we have fried rice. We still got first part, 5 more to do. So we got number 4. What can we do with number 4? You know, you could grind, put it in a food processor and chop it up. So you take 2 slices of your Spam, you grind it up into little chunks, and what can you do with it? Think about it. What can you do with any other ground meat? You make a meatball for Spam, meatball, and spaghettis. Now, you don't want to be pure Spam because you can see the kids going. So you got a little ball of spaghetti for a meatball spaghetti. Out of 2 slices, you can make 3 small ones. Okay, and you add it to your spaghetti and your spaghetti sauce. So that's 4 so far. And you want to add a filler to the ground Spam. Okay, I use vegetables like an onion. I use an egg. I use breadcrumbs. So you don't want to overpower with those for your 2 slices. And you may use another slice or 2 to grind it all up. But you want it into a little ball shape. And I use Italian breadcrumbs. Or I use a cracker crumb or a breadcrumb, or there's a whole bunch of different materials I could use to puff up the meatball. Okay, that's 4 so far. We had ham and egg sandwich. We have ramen. We have, what was number 3 again? Go back and watch the video again. And we had number 4, meatballs and spaghetti. All right, we had number 3 was fried rice. I'm going to have one of those moments. So you figure out what other 5 out of 10 meals from 2 cans of Spam. That's 5 meals from 1 can. So you have 10 meals from 2 cans of Spam. Okay, so you figure that one out. And it's going to be fun. I won't say anybody, but a lot of people can do it. Okay, and I keep this fairly short, so I'll catch you later.